Brothers and sisters, the love of Christ impels us, once we have come to the conviction that one died for all. Therefore, all have died. He indeed died for all, so that those who live might no longer live for themselves, but for him who for their sake died and was raised. Consequently, from now on we regard no one according to the flesh. Even if we once knew Christ according to the flesh, yet now we know him so no longer. So whoever is in Christ is a new creation. The old things have passed away. Behold, new things have come. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Mon âme a soif de toi, ô Seigneur mon Dieu. Ô Dieu, tu es mon Dieu que je cherche. Pour toi ma chair languit et mon âme a soif, comme la terre, desséchée, sans vie et sans eau. Mon âme a soif de toi, ô Seigneur mon Dieu. Ainsi, je t'ai contemplé dans le sanctuaire, pour voir ta puissance et ta gloire. Car ta bonté est un plus grand bien que la vie. Mes lèvres te glorifieront. Mon âme a soif de toi, ô Seigneur mon Dieu. Ainsi je te bénirai tant que je vivrai. En levant les mains, j'invoquerai ton nom. Comme avec les richesses d'un banquet, mon âme sera satisfaite. Et avec des lèvres exultantes, ma bouche te louera. Mon âme a soif de toi, ô Seigneur mon Dieu. Tu es mon aide. Et à l'ombre de tes ailes, je crie de joie. Mon âme s'attache fermement à toi. Ta main droite me soutient. Mon âme a soif de toi, ô Seigneur mon Dieu. Parole du Seigneur. Nous rendons grâce à Dieu. Alleluia. Alleluia. Tell us, Mary, what did you see on the way? I saw the glory of the risen Christ. I saw his empty tomb. Alleluia. Alleluia. On the first day of the week, Mary Magdalene came to the tomb early in the morning, while it was still dark, and saw the stone removed from the tomb. So she ran and went to Simon Peter, and to the other disciple whom Jesus loved, and told them, "They have taken the Lord from the tomb, and we don't know where they put him." Mary stayed outside the tomb weeping. And as she wept, she bent over into the tomb, and saw two angels in white sitting there, one at the head and one at the feet, where the body of Jesus had been. And they said to her, "Woman, why are you weeping?" She said to them, "They have taken my Lord, and I don't know where they laid him." When she had said this, she turned around and saw Jesus there, but did not know it was Jesus. Jesus said to her, "Woman, why are you weeping? Whom are you looking for?" She thought it was the gardener and said to him, "Sir, if you carried him away, tell me where you laid him, and I will take him." Jesus said to her, "Mary." She turned and said to him in Hebrew, "Rabboni," which means teacher. Jesus said to her, "Stop holding on to me, for I have not yet ascended to the Father. But go to my brothers and tell them, I am going to my Father and your Father, to my God and your God." Mary Magdalene went and announced to the disciples, "I have seen the Lord," and then reported what he told her. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.